Hello students, did you know how to use a buzzer? In this video we are building a doorbell using buzzer. Components required for building the circuit are: 1 mini buzzer, a 220 ohm resistor. It is not necessary, but you can use the resistor if you want. Next we have a small push button, a mini breadboard, one 3.7 volt lithium cell and its holder, and at last some jumper wires. So, let's get started. Insert the buzzer into the breadboard. The longer leg is positive and shorter is negative. Insert the switch in the breadboard and connect its one side to the positive of buzzer using jumper wire. Here I use a single-stranded wire for connection. Take the male jumper wires and insert the red one into the switch side and other in the buzzer negative terminal. Just make the connection as same as in the diagram. You can see in the circuit diagram that the current goes from battery positive to push button terminal 1. As soon as I press the button, the current goes terminal 1 to terminal 2 of push button, and then the buzzer starts beeping. But if I releases the switch, the buzzer again goes off. In this way we get to know how to make a doorbell that you can also made on your own.